Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Talk about my cadence before I start cadencing. Not that close. New lawn and get it established. Yeah. Herbicide is a great way to help prevent oxygen premium. Sit, shake. No, let's drop. Stop it. Are we meant to be doing something, sorry? For spring. Oh, I didn't really say prepare then. I said I'm gonna fucking laugh. Stegosaurus! Fix it. Good info down here. You need to put on your lawn. Oh, I'm stumbling. Not calibrated. The old number 3. To let more light in, and I didn't read the last bit. Can you zoom in on that? For removal, I did the wrong thing. That was my own little flavour on it. Was that alright?
I love it.
Less is more.
Is this the most stressful part of your week, mate? Yeah.
Stressing me out.
What was it originally?
That look weird doing that? Felt awkward then. Let's get stuck in to ensuring you have everything you need. I just ripped my pants. Fucking hell. Good pants too. Now, let's get stuck in to ensuring you have everything you need for, what's the line again? I'm not good at being excited. Hear that? Grass is growing.